going on, guys? It's your girl Lori Lorianne and I'm back again with another video. As you can tell, I'm back. So my birthday is in 3 days from now. I decided to treat myself to a little present. And I thank Mumsy for buying this for me and my dad. And they've literally been great. So why not to unbox it? Like, wait, let me do that thumbnail. Wait, thumbnail is from this side. Okay, and then I'll put the thing on that side. Okay, so I'm going to use a knife carefully because I don't want anything to happen to it. Okay, can you close the door, please? The ASMR is madness. Okay, so I got, my God, it comes in a box. So it comes with a bunch of boxes. It comes with paper. But this is the important bit. Okay? Let me show you guys this. And open it. Can you guys stop doing that, please? Better! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh wow. It hit you in the mouth. Yeah. And you see. Is it an Apple Watch or something? Oh my God. It's heavy though. Just telling you guys. It's a tripod. Is it a tripod? And then it comes in another box. Which I think this is what I want. So let me show you what is in here.
It looks like a tripod. I think that's a tripod.
Shush. Just wait. Close the door, please. So in this one, I think not every package is the same. But in this, seriously, I need to talk. This one comes this. I don't know how to set it up.
It's a tripod.
Wait, hold on.
It's a tripod.
Wait.
It's a freaking tripod. But how does that start with R?
It's tall.
It is a tripod.
It's really tall. Ouch.
It's secure.
No, it's not tall. So, as I was saying, on this box, how do you open this? So, let me try. I'm struggling to open it. Am I silly? Oh, no, it's good. Okay. So, I think this is the wires. Yeah, I think so. So this is the stand, I guess.
Freaking tripod.
And then those are the stuff to connect to the lid. But yeah. Now, the OG that we've all been waiting for. Put some music on. Can you see? Can you see?
It's a ring light. It's a ring light.
What a one. Look at this. It's so pretty. I have bubbles. Now, I'm trying to untie these stuff. I'm going to put my face on it. Okay, so, wait. Are we supposed to connect to this stuff? But well, we got this thing. So, I think I need to find the instruction. Wait. This is it. Dear customer, thank you for purchasing our product. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us. Our customer service email, blah blah blah. And there's a 30-day full money return policy and 12-month guarantee, just in case I break it. So How does it not tell me how the flip am I supposed to do this? No, it says on here. So there's instructions. Yeah. So prepare the tripod. Okay, so I unscrew the top. Hold that, please. Thank you. Then I open the legs. I've already done that. Put it up. I've already done that. And I've already straightened it out. Then prepare the pan tilt. So I need, yeah, that's the one. And I put it on the foam thingy. Can I have the foam? Oh yeah. Look. Okay. So wait. Oh wait, it moves. I just found out how. It moves. Okay. Well, tighten enough, I guess. And it moves. Just to tell you that it moves. And I guess. Oh wait. That's the hard bit. Where's the thing? Apparently, this is supposed to be right. I think I put the wrong one in. I made a mistake. Okay, so I put this one. This is the one I'm supposed to put at the top of here. So I put that in there. So this.
Oh look, it's gone down again.
And apparently, oh wait, I was supposed to put this one. There you go. Then we have to put the bottom of it on the somehow. Oh, it fit. Then we put it on that, yeah, and then we have to screw that. Oh, this is where this comes in. So I put that in there.
Oh, you're nearly done. So let's just put that. USB here. Whatever.
Oh wait, I have to tighten this. I didn't realize. It's hard, man. This is an early but I'm proud of this pressure. Then that's can I have the instructions, please? We put the phone like this. I guess that's how it is.
I really thought it was.
Yeah, you can put that this bit on here. I'll zoom in so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Just risk it, I'll break it. Close the door. Okay, so I'm trying to screw this properly because like I'm not trying to fit anything to break. Why is it raining? Yeah, but this is scary. Why is it not staying in one place? Oh, makes sense. Wait.
I'm trying to tighten it.
Wait. Oh, there we go.
So
It's quite tall.
what do you
Wait. The next step. Oh my god, this is taking long, but I'm gonna fast forward this bit. Then I think that's it. That is it. Okay, so we're gonna try on my sister's phone. So you phone fat. Well, it goes. Oh, it lifts. Like it was smaller than this, but it lifts up. So let's see the quality of this on through my phone or my sister's camera. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Okay, so my phone is on the tripod. We're gonna switch.
Tripod.
Sorry, on the ring light. When I'm saying that, it's not even that deep. Can I have it? So now I'm recording on here, but I've got the other one there. I'm gonna plug it in. And I'm gonna switch it on. It doesn't switch on immediately, but the buttons switch on. And then I'm gonna switch it on. The brightness. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna put this down a little bit. So on my phone, this is how it looks. Not really much of a difference, but it's like that. And I guess I can change the colors with this. I can change the brightness. I think it's at the maximum. That's the like low brightness. And I can change it to just white. And that's it. So with white, it looks like this. With brown, say I want to take like a selfie that makes me look brown skin, I use this. And there's a combination of both, which is this and just white. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. I think I'll show you guys like how tall it is. I'll put everything on the description below just in case. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, wait, I think you have to like lock it or something. Yeah. Yeah, how do you actually make it just stand? Anyways, thank you guys for watching the unboxing. You know, it was nice to talk to y'all. Like, you see my setup is quite nice. It's quite much, it's better now. I can record literally at night or something. Let me change this. Yeah. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Share with other people that, you know, want to buy ring lights. This actually cost me, I think, £23 something. It's actually really good. I can't lie. I thought it was going to be poo. But yeah, it's actually quite nice. Comes with the buttons. I think one day I might actually buy the remote so I can take Insta pictures with this. But yeah, multicolor, white. And we set. So I'll see you guys in the next video.